How to change your background in Google Meet. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. You just need to head over to your browser and then just join the Google Meet and toggle on your camera. Just tap on it. Now you need to go to the arrow icon. This will take you to video settings. And now you need to go to backgrounds and effects. And there you'll be able to see various backgrounds that you can choose from. So this is how you change your background in Google Meet. Just choose the background of your preference. You can even blur your background if you want to. So, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.